Hi friends, how are you all? This is Lakshman. In this YouTube channel, you will find various programming language tutorials and also real-time scenarios and real-time entry questions and answers. So such as Java related entry questions and answers, Python and C#. Okay, and also you will find automation testing tutorials and entry questions and answers, manual testing entry questions and answers, HR related entry questions and answers, and database tutorials and entry questions and answers. So I can say in simple word, who want to become a full stack developer, so then this is the right YouTube channel for you. Okay, so each and every technology is nowadays very important, who want to expecting from IT company from multiple skills from the candidate. So that is the reason in this YouTube channel I am providing different technologies. In simple words, I can say who want to become a full stack developer. Okay, so this is the right place to learn different technologies tutorials and also real-time entry questions and answers. Okay, so if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on bell icon. So thank you for watching.